Hello everyone. Today you will study Chapter 1 Geography, the Earth in the Solar System. You must have seen how wonderful to watch the sky after the sunset. Millions of stars, like I really love to look at the sky and the star and imagine that we live in a small earth comparatively how vast is a universe. Apart from stars, you must have seen moon also. When a moon is full, we say full moonlight or Purnima. When there is no moon, then we say new moon night or Amavasya. And we all know we can't see all these during day because a sun is so bright which hide everything as its light. So whatever we see in the space like sun, moon, stars, earth are called celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are made up of gas they produce its own heat and light. They are called stars. The pattern we see in the sky, they are constellations. Ursa Major is very important constellation or Big Bear. Saptarishi is a part of constellation. Two stars of Saptarishi, they form an imaginary line with the pole star or north star. Whichever direction the Saptarishi is, these two stars always point out at pole star. Pole star is always in north direction. Traveler use it, whenever they want to see the direction, they always see the pole star. Our next celestial body about which we are going to talk is our planets. As I told you, stars have their own heat and light which they produce. Planets do not have this, they all get it from stars. So which part faces towards star is bright, it is day, and the part which is not towards the star is dark or it is night. In the solar system, first we will see about sun. Sun is the center of the universe. So all the planets, asteroids or particles, they all revolve around the sun. Our sun is our star because it generates heat and light, and it is also made up of gases. If we say about planets, there are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Among all the planets, Earth is the only planet where life exists. Why life exists only on the Earth? It is neither too hot nor too cold. Our Earth has perfect climate or atmosphere to live in. Our Earth is the 3rd planet in the solar system, and in size it is the 5th planet after Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Our planet is also called the blue planet. It appears blue from outer because of the water it has. Earth also has one natural satellite, that is moon. As Earth revolves around the sun, in the same way moon also revolves around the sun. That's why it is called satellite. Moon's diameter, Earth's diameter is 1/4. We can only see one part of the moon. This is because the rotation and revolution of the moon is equal. Asteroids. Between Mars and Jupiter, there are numerous rocks material. They are called asteroids. Scientists believe that before many years, it was a planet, but it broke down and divided into small pieces, and these pieces are revolving around the sun like planets. Meteoroids. Some rocks materials are like this. They also revolve around the sun individually, and same time they also fall on the earth. You must have heard Tara. That is all because of the meteoroids. All these stars in the sky are part of a galaxy. What is galaxy? Galaxy is a collection of many stars. Our is also a galaxy. This is called Milky Way or Akash Ganga. In the universe, there are billions and billions of galaxies, where there are lakhs and crores of stars which are beyond our imagination. That's all in the chapter. Students, this is only the summary of the chapter through animation. In the next video, you will be learning detailed study of the chapter. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.